Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with a quick update to the Duel Peterbilt and getting some work done on the trailer here. And I currently am at the filling and sanding and sanding and filling and sanding stage of the project, so progress has been ongoing but a bit slow, especially for trying to show an update. But I did want to let you know where I was on it. A few things to look at. I've replaced the doors on the sides of it like I was talking about. You got the 2 on the right, 3 on the left, as the movie truck had. I also added a walkway across the top here. That's out of some expanded mesh that's glued to the trough there. And started adding some details to the back there. And you can see that there's still a little bit of texture that I need to get rid of. I'm not looking to get this perfectly mirror smooth. I mean, it's going to be weathered pretty heavily. But I did want to get some of the big parts out. And yeah, that's where I am on that. Going to give it one more sanding and then throw some paint on it and see how it looks. And here it is in its final base color. I went with a Krylon copper over flat black primer, and you can see I left the bottom of it unpainted as much as possible, both because that's going to be that much less I have to paint, and also you can see a little bit on the sides here. It kind of worked as a pre-shading to get some of the grime and road debris up on the sides of it, down here on the lower half. And it cleaned up pretty well. You can see there's a few dents here and there, which I'm going to work into the weathering. Figure a trailer this age and with that much dirt and grime on it, it's going to have a few dents here and there. Also started in putting the underside details on it. The frame rails, jack stands, and tire carrier, along with the hose connectors up here, are all out of the Lindbergh shell tanker. The ladder here is completely scratch built. And top section again. Still going to put the caps on it, and then I'm going to paint that whole center section. Round back. Cleaned up pretty well. Again, a couple little dents here and there, but nothing too bad. I think it all fits in with the look of the truck, or at least what the look of the finished truck is going to be. Yeah. Next up, I'm going to put the decals on it while I've got this nice glossy finish to work with. And then it's going to be time for weathering. So, check back next week, and thanks for watching.